Jake, be honest with me. If I told you I already have my Christmas dinner menu, flight tickets, and even my gift wrapping paper ready, and it's only July, would you call me a genius or would you call me crazy?
Emma, I love you, but that sounds like a nightmare. July? I haven't even decided what I'm having for lunch today. I'm definitely a decide on Friday, disappear on Saturday kind of traveler.
See, we are total opposites, and that is exactly why we are here. Welcome back to Talk Nana, the place where English feels like a real conversation, not a boring classroom. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. If you've ever argued with your partner, your parents, or your friends about where to go or how to plan a trip, stay tuned. You are not alone.
Today, we're doing more than just practicing English. We're diving into the ultimate vacation war, the master planner versus the spontaneous adventurer. Which one are you?
We are going to settle this debate today, and trust me, my no-plan style is the secret to happiness. But before we get into the chaos, do us a quick favor.
If you want to boost your English confidence while hanging out with us, hit that like button right now. It's a small move for you, but it's a massive boost for our Talk Nana community.
And if you're new here, don't take this English journey alone. Hit subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and let's grow together.
All right, Jake, the world is watching. Tell the truth. Have you ever actually missed a flight because you were being too spontaneous?
Okay, maybe once or twice, but the story was worth it.
I knew it. Well, I'm going to tell you why my July planning saved my life, and we're starting right now. I have a question for you, a very important one.
Oh, I'm ready. What is it?
Do you have any vacation plans?
Vacation plans. Oh man, just hearing those words makes me feel relaxed already. I love vacations. And yes, I do have some ideas. How about you?
Same here. No alarms, no rushing, just slow mornings. It's what I'm dreaming about right now.
I hear you. But before we get into the big vacation talk, tell the truth. What did you actually do yesterday? Was it exciting?
Yesterday, honestly, nothing special at all. I worked a bit, had a simple dinner, and just relaxed at home.
You know what? That sounds perfect. Simple days are often the best days.
Yeah, I watched some videos, listened to some music, and actually went to bed early for once.
Wow, that sounds peaceful. My yesterday was similar. I did some cleaning, made some food, and just rested. No big plans, no stress, just normal life.
And that's exactly why vacations feel so special, isn't it? Because they're so different from our usual everyday routine.
Precisely. Vacations give us that spark to look forward to.
So, my friends, today we are going to talk about something everyone thinks about, vacation plans. Let's slowly get into the vibe together.
So Emma, let's break it down. When we say the word vacation, it's not just a word, it's a feeling.
Yes, it sounds slow, it sounds calm. It's like you can finally take a deep breath.
Exactly. A vacation is that specific time when you stop working and take a total break from your normal routine.
No rushing, no alarms, no checking the clock every 5 minutes. For most people, it means less stress and more me time.
More rest, eating well, and just doing things that make your soul happy. And here's the secret. You don't have to do anything fancy. Even doing absolutely nothing can be an amazing vacation.
I totally agree. Doing nothing is actually a very important skill.
And since we are in December, what is the first thing people think about when they hear vacation?
Christmas! You can feel it in the air already. The lights, the music, that cozy feeling in every coffee shop.
And then, right after that, New Year. It's the ultimate vacation season. It's a time to slow down.
Some people travel across the world, some people stay on their sofa. But when you're on vacation, mornings just feel softer. You wake up and think, I don't need to rush today.
You stretch, you take your time with your coffee. That is the true essence of a vacation. It's not just a date on the calendar, it's a state of mind.
Okay, Jake. Speaking of plans, I've been keeping a secret. I have a very specific plan this year.
Oh, that face means it's something big. Spill it, Emma.
Well, this Christmas and New Year vacation is very special for me. I'm going to Canada.
Canada? In the winter? Wow, that is serious.
Yes, and guess what? I started planning this 5 months ago. I wanted zero stress, so I booked everything early, very early.
5 months? You are so organized. I'm impressed.
Thank you. We have relatives there, so it's all about family time. Christmas with family, in the snow, it just feels extra cozy.
I can imagine, but I bet you had to pack a lot of heavy clothes.
Oh, absolutely. Coats, sweaters, scarves, thick socks. Canada winter is no joke. I packed so carefully.
Did you plan every single day, or do you have some free time too?
We have some places to visit, but I made sure to include free days. Days where we just relax with no schedule, no rushing.
Smart move. That's the best kind of plan. Organized, but flexible.
Exactly. Now, Jake, I've shared my big Canada adventure. What about you? What's your Christmas and New Year plan?
Well, this might shock you, but I actually have no plan at all.
What? No plan? None?
Nope. This year, I decided to just go with the flow. Usually, I'm like you, booking hotels and flights, but this time, I want to feel spontaneous.
That sounds brave. So what will you actually do?
I'm thinking of going camping with a friend. Just us, nature, and a campfire. No strict schedule. If it rains, we find a cabin. If it's sunny, we hike.
Wow, that's a totally different vibe from my trip. It sounds adventurous.
It's a little scary not having a plan, but it's exciting. This vacation is about the experience, not checking things off a list.
I love that. Sometimes the best memories come from the things you never planned in the first place. Actually, Jake, talking about Canada makes me think about something else. The food.
Oh, here we go. Emma and her food. What's on the menu for a Canadian Christmas?
Well, my relatives always make this amazing roasted turkey, and the smell of cinnamon and nutmeg in the house, it's incredible.
Cinnamon and nutmeg. That's the scent of the holidays right there.
It really is. And since we'll be in the snow, we'll probably have a lot of hot chocolate with those tiny marshmallows on top.
Stop it, Emma. You're making me hungry. But you know, even for my camping trip, food is a big part of the plan.
Camping food? Is it just instant noodles and canned beans?
Hey, don't look down on camping food. There's something special about cooking over a real fire. We're planning to grill some corn and maybe some simple steaks. Everything tastes better when you're sitting outside under the stars.
I guess you're right. There's no fancy kitchen, but there's a lot of flavor.
Exactly. Whether it's a big family dinner or a campfire meal, vacation food is always about the memories you make while eating.
You know, Jake, I was thinking about our listeners. A lot of them are worried about their English. They think, if I go on vacation, I will forget everything I learned.
That's a very common fear. But friends, listen, vacation is actually a great time to practice without pressure.
I agree. For example, if you are traveling, like me, you can practice reading signs at the airport or ordering food in English.
And if you are staying at home or camping like me, you can watch a movie in English or listen to an English podcast, like this one, while you relax.
Exactly. The key is to keep it light. Don't study grammar books on your vacation. Just live the language.
Live the language. I love that. Maybe try to write a small diary entry in English about your day. Just 3 sentences. Today, I went to the beach. I ate ice cream. It was delicious.
Simple and effective. It keeps your brain active, but your body stays relaxed.
That's the secret. Don't make English a job during your holiday. Make it a part of your fun.
Jake, does this vacation talk make you feel a little nostalgic? Like thinking about when we were kids?
Oh, absolutely. I remember my vacations when I was 10 years old. My family used to drive to the countryside every summer.
The countryside? That sounds beautiful.
It was. We didn't have smartphones back then. We just ran in the fields, climbed trees, and got our clothes dirty. It was so simple.
I miss that simplicity sometimes. For me, it was visiting my grandmother's house. She had this old garden, and I used to spend hours just watching the butterflies.
It's funny, isn't it? As adults, we plan these big trips to Canada or camping adventures, but our hearts still miss those simple childhood moments.
Maybe that's what we're all looking for on vacation. We're just trying to find that childhood feeling again. No worries, no stress, just pure joy.
I think you hit the nail on the head, Emma. Vacations are our way of becoming kids again for a week or two.
True. If I were to have a very simple stay-at-home vacation, I'd still make a gentle plan.
A gentle plan. I like that. Tell me what a perfect gentle day looks like for you.
First, I'd wake up slowly, no alarm. Then I'd make a cup of herbal tea and just sit by the window for a while.
Very peaceful. And then?
Then I'd read a book. Not a workbook or a study book, just something for fun. In the afternoon, maybe meet friends at a cafe for some laughs and coffee.
And maybe a little shopping?
Okay, maybe a little shopping. Coming home with a new dress always makes me happy. And in the evening, I'd cook a nice meal, put on some calm music, and just enjoy the silence.
See, that is a perfect vacation plan, and it costs almost nothing. It's all about doing what you enjoy.
Now let's look at some words we use today so our friends can use them too. Jake, let's start with plans.
Great word. Plans are just ideas for the future. You can have big plans, simple plans, or no plans. All are okay.
And my favorite, relax. It means to slow down. No rush, no stress. Example, I want to relax on my vacation.
Then we have travel. It doesn't have to be a flight to Canada. Even a short trip to the next town is travel.
And don't forget, stay at home. Sometimes staying at home is the most productive thing you can do for your mental health.
We also used excited. That's that happy waiting feeling. I'm so excited for the holidays.
How about nostalgic? We use that when talking about childhood. It means thinking about the past with a bit of sadness and a lot of love.
And finally, enjoy. It means to feel good in the moment. No matter what your plan is, just enjoy it.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. We have a question for you, and we really want to see your answers in the comments.
Question 1. What are your vacation plans? Are you going somewhere big like Emma, or are you staying cozy like me?
Question 2. What is your favorite vacation food? This is very important. Do you like turkey, corn, or maybe just a big pizza?
Question 3. Do you like vacations, or do you actually prefer your normal routine?
Try to write just 1 or 2 sentences. It's the best way to practice your English. We'll be reading them and giving hearts to our favorite ones. You know, Jake, we've been talking about how perfect vacations can be, but let's be real for a second. Sometimes vacations can be a total disaster.
Oh, don't remind me. You mean when things go wrong?
Exactly. Like the time I went to the beach and it rained for 7 days straight. I spent my whole beach vacation inside a tiny hotel room watching reruns of old game shows.
That's the worst. But you know, looking back, those disaster stories are usually the ones we laugh about the most later on.
True. I also remember a time I missed my flight because I was too busy eating a sandwich at the airport cafe.
A sandwich? Emma, was it at least a very good sandwich?
It was delicious, Jake, but it cost me an extra 5 hours of waiting and a lot of money.
See, that's why I like my no-plan camping idea. If I'm late, I'm just late. There's no flight to miss in the middle of the woods.
That's true, but even camping has risks. What about mosquitoes or bears?
Bears? Well, I hope I don't meet any bears this Christmas. But that's the thing. Vacations are an adventure. Even when they're messy, they give us stories to tell.
I agree. So to our friends listening, if your vacation doesn't go perfectly, don't stress. Just enjoy the story you are creating.
And speaking of stories, after Christmas comes the big one, the New Year.
Ah, New Year's Eve, the time for New Year resolutions.
Do you believe in resolutions, Emma? You know, like I will exercise every day, or I will eat more vegetables.
I used to make a long list, but now I prefer intentions. Instead of a strict rule, I just choose a word for the year.
A word for the year. That's interesting. What was your word for last year?
Last year was bravery. That's actually why we named this podcast Brave English. I wanted to be brave enough to start something new.
Wow, that's beautiful. And it worked. Look at us now, talking to so many friends around the world.
It really did. For this coming year, my word is consistency. I want to keep showing up, keep learning, and keep helping our listeners. What about you, Jake?
I think my word will be focus. I want to spend less time on my phone and more time on things that matter, like my hobbies, my friends, and of course, our brave English community.
That's a great one. Focusing is so hard in this busy world.
It really is. And friends, maybe this vacation is the perfect time for you to think about your word for next year.
Yes. Think about it while you're relaxing. What do you want to achieve? Maybe your word is English or confidence.
Or maybe it's balance, finding time to work and time to rest.
Whatever it is, don't be too hard on yourself. A new year is like a new notebook. It's a clean page.
I love that, a clean page. And we are so happy to be part of your story in the coming year.
You know, Jake, I feel so much more connected to our listeners after this long talk. It's like we're all sitting in the same room.
I feel the same way. It's not just a lesson, it's a conversation. And before we go, I want to say one more thing about English.
What's that?
To everyone listening, thank you for your patience with yourself. Learning a language is a long road, but you are doing great.
Yes, you really are. Every time you listen to us, your brain is growing. You are becoming more fluent, even if you don't feel it yet.
So take this vacation to be kind to yourself. You've worked hard all year. You deserve this break.
Totally. Put the grammar books away for a few days, drink some cocoa, watch the stars, and just be.
That is the best advice ever, Emma. Just be.
Okay, friends, now it's truly time for us to wrap this up. We have a few questions for you in the comments, as we said before.
Yes, what are your vacation plans? What is your favorite vacation food? And yes, what is your word of the year for next year?
We are so excited to read your answers. It helps us get to know you better.
And remember, even if you write a short comment, you're practicing. Don't be shy.
We'll be here reading and cheering you on.
From both of us at Brave English, have an amazing vacation.
See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode.
It helps us keep making these for you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy vacations, everyone.